In this video, I'm going to show you how forecasting works in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money does not have a specific feature called a forecast line that you can turn on or off in the settings. So if you're looking for a dedicated forecast toggle, it does not exist in the app. Instead, Monarch uses reports and trend views to give you a similar idea of how your finances are progressing over time. To view this on desktop, go to the Reports tab and open sections like cash flow, spending, or income. These charts show historical trends based on your actual data. You can adjust the date range to longer periods, like the past year or more, to get a clearer picture of how your income and expenses are moving over time. While this is not a true forecast, it still helps you understand patterns and make informed decisions based on your past financial behavior. For future planning, you can combine these reports with your budget and goals to estimate where your finances are heading. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.